Hello, this is my project one for CS50 web development with Python and Django. So this is my page, the wiki project. So in this, I see all these links here. Suppose I search wiki for CSS and I press enter, it takes me to the CSS page here. So this is the first requirement. I should be able to search and it should take me to that particular page. So I've got the content. If an entry does not exist, suppose I type here Sanjay, it takes me to an entry, search results, no results. So this entry does not exist. There are no results to it. So that is the second requirement. The title should have the name of the entry. So we'll go back to the home page. So if I search for Django, the title here has Django here, wiki/Django. Okay, so this title has it. Now I'm going to the second requirement, the second bigger requirement, index page. So I should be able to click on any entry and get to that particular page. Suppose I click on Git, I should be able to go to Git and GitHub. So that is what is possible. Now I will go to the next requirement, go back to the home page and search for encyclopedia entry. Again, let me search for Git. If I search for Git, I am able to get to Git and GitHub. Now, suppose I search for a substring, let's say R. Then I find two results where you have R as an alphabet. Good practice has an R, practice also has an R. So from substring also we can search. Now, if I search for, let's say, CSS, I have a hyperlink here also. So if I have to click on HTML, it should take me to the HTML entry. This was one of the requirements. It takes me to the HTML entry. So this is also possible. Now I can create a new page here. Let me create a new page. I call it software development. So this is the content inside, and I should be able to enter a title here. So I will say new software and I should be able to submit it. When I submit it, I get this new software development. This is my content. So I can create a new page and also provide a title to that. So the title is new software. I should be able to edit the page. So when I click on edit, if I type something else, nothing new here, for example, I type here nothing new, I should be able to submit it. When I submit it, say successfully updated, I get this nothing new option here, nothing new which I have typed. So I'm able to edit page. Now clicking on this random page should take me to any of the entries. So it says Git, GitHub. When I click it again, it takes me to Django. When I click on random again, it takes me to HTML. So this way I can have multiple entries clicked using random page. Now markdown to HTML conversion, again, markdown to HTML conversion. If I click on HSS, CSS, and if I say edit, this is a markdown document. If I have to remove this and I have to type, there are other softwares available. There are other softwares available. And if I say submit, it converts this markdown into HTML. There are other softwares available. So this project covers all the tasks that are given. Thank you.